So, you want to learn Python, and you're wondering where to start. Good news. Python is one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly languages you can learn. And with the right plan, you can make real progress in just a few weeks. Let's break it down into simple, clear steps. Step 1. Set up your tools. Go to python.org, download the latest version, and install it. Then pick a place to write code. You can use a simple code editor like VS Code, or even an online editor if you don't want to install anything yet. Step 2. Learn the basics of the language. Focus on the core building blocks, variables, numbers, and text strings. Then move on to lists and dictionaries. After that, learn if statements, loops, and functions. You don't need to learn everything at once. Take one topic at a time and write tiny examples. Change the numbers. Break the code on purpose. Then fix it. That's how you really learn. Step 3. Practice with small challenges. This is where most people get stuck. Don't just watch tutorials. Actually type the code yourself. Solve simple problems like add up a list of numbers, count how many times a word appears in a sentence, or build a tiny calculator. Now, where does ChatGPT fit into this? One of the most common questions people ask is, why doesn't my code work? Instead of just pasting your error and saying, fix this, try this approach. Explain what you were trying to do. Share the code and the error message. Then ask, can you walk me through what went wrong? This turns ChatGPT into a teacher, not just a code generator. You'll understand the why, not just the answer. Step 4. Build a small project. Pick something you actually care about. Maybe a simple to-do list app, a random password generator, or a script that renames a bunch of files for you. Your first project doesn't need to be impressive. It just needs to be real. Projects glue all the concepts together. Finally, keep a learning loop. Learn a concept, practice it, build something tiny with it. Ask questions when you're stuck. Repeat. And if you're creating educational content like this, or want to turn your Python ideas into clean, animated explainers, you don't have to do it all by hand. You can go to vidfactory.ai and make your own explainer videos effortlessly. Stick with it. Python rewards patience. One small step at a time, you'll get there.